Hello students, in last class I was telling about Hertz's observations of photoelectric effect. Now I want to tell Leonard's observations of photoelectric effect. See, after the discovery of photoelectric effect by Hertz, the two famous scientists, one is Leonard and another one is Hallward, they separately performed experiments to describe about photoelectric effect in detail. So first I want to take Leonard's observations of photoelectric effect. Leonard he considered an evacuated glass tube. This is the evacuated glass tube. The name of this apparatus is evacuated glass tube. And inside the evacuated glass tube there is one A is emitter plate. This is emitter plate. It is consisting of two plates. One is emitter plate. Yes, what is the name of this plate? Emitter plate. And this emitter plate is A, and this is collector plate. And this evacuated glass tube, it is connected. See, this evacuated glass tube is having a window for sending the light waves. Quartz window. This is called quartz window. So through this window, ultraviolet radiation is made to fall on the emitter plate. So Leonard and Hallward, Leonard he passed ultraviolet radiations through the window section, and he made to fall on the anode plate of the evacuated glass tube. So this ultraviolet radiations they were incident on the emitter plate. So see, now the electrons of the emitter plate absorbed the energy of these light rays, and by absorbing the energy, electrons are emitted from the emitter plate. Emitter plate in the electrons are emitted. So these electrons they are attracted by the collector plate due to the electric field of the collector plate. See here, collector plate is positively charged one. This is a positively charged positive plate. This is a negative plate. This is an emitter plate is negative plate and collector plate is positive plate. So by the electric field of the collector plate, now the electrons they start moving from anode to see emitter plate. Actually the anode ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ anode ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. A stands for anode, C stands for cathode. Anode is negative plate and cathode is positive plate. So now the electrons which are emitted from the emitter plate, they started moving towards the collector plate. So the flow of these electrons give rises to electric current. The flow of these electrons give rises to, what are these electrons? Photoelectrons. We call these as photoelectrons, and this effect is photoelectric effect. Photoelectrons, photoelectrons, and this phenomenon is photoelectric effect. So now these electrons they started moving towards the collector plate as they are attracted by the positive plate. Collector plate is positive plate. So and the flow of these electrons constitute what is known as electric current. The flow of these electrons is called electric current. So here this is a Leonard observation of photoelectric effect. What are the points to be written? About Leonard's observations of photoelectric effect? The first one, the current flows as soon as the ultraviolet radiation fall falls on the emitter plate. The current flows means the current flows means electrons, flow of electrons. The current flows as soon as the ultraviolet radiation falls on the emitter plate. Ultraviolet radiation ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ emitter plate ಮೇಲೆ ultraviolet radiation ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ current starts flowing in the evacuated glass tube. So first point is the current flows as soon as the ultraviolet radiation falls on the emitter plate. Second point, this flow of current stops. This flow of current stops if we were stopping the flow, the incidence of ultraviolet radiation to the emitter plate. If the second point, as soon as the ultraviolet radiations were stopped, as soon as the ultraviolet radiations were stopped, the flow of current also stopped. So here, see, when does the current stops flowing from emitter to collector? When you stop the incidence of falling of ultraviolet radiations. If falling of ultraviolet radiations are stopped, then immediately the flow of current also stops inside the glass tube. This is the second point. What is the second point? As soon as the ultraviolet radiations were stopped, the flow of current also stops. So what it means? Current is present in the evacuated glass tube until there is a presence of ultraviolet radiations falling on the emitter plate. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ನ ಎಮಿಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು ಎಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡೋದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, when the ultraviolet radiation fall on the emitter plate, when it falls on the emitter plate, electrons are ejected from it, electrons are removed from it. Electrons ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಸರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. Here when light falls, as I told you, when light falls on the emitter plate, electrons inside the emitter plate, they take the energy from these light rays, and that energy is more sufficient to overcome escape from the attracting forces given by the surface of the metal. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವುಗಳಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಾಕು. ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಪೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಎಮಿಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ repulsion, they feel repulsion, so they leave the atoms of this emitter plate. So and why they are moving towards the collector plate? Collector plate is a positively charged plate, so they get attracted towards the collector plate, so thereby they are moving. So the flow of these electrons give rises to electric current, that is photo current. ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು photo electrons, ಈ current photo current, ಈ phenomena photoelectric effect phenomena. Third point is when the ultraviolet radiation, go and sit there, when the ultraviolet radiation fall on the emitter plate, electrons are ejected from it, which are attracted towards the positive collector plate by the electric field. Ila attraction agutta, idu bandu ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. The electron flowing through the evacuated glass tube results in the flow of current. The electrons flowing through the evacuated glass tube results in the flow of current. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಹೋಗೋದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲೆನಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ photoelectric effect. First point ಏನು, the current flows in the circuit until there is a presence of falling of ultraviolet radiations on the emitter plate. If see, the current flows as soon as the ultraviolet radiations falls on the emitter plate. Immediately when you pass the radiations on the collector and the emitter plate, within the fraction of seconds, electrons are emitted from the emitter plate. This is the first point. Second point, as soon as the when the incidents or when falling of ultraviolet radiation, UV radiation is stopped, is ceased, is stopped. So when the falling stops, immediately current also stops in the glass tube. Here current also no more current flows in the evacuated glass tube. So here incidence of UV radiation is directly proportional to electric current. So if this one stops, means electric current also stops in the glass tube. Third point, when the UV radiation are falling on the emitter plate, electrons are ejected out. Electrons are leaving the atoms of the emitter plate. Electrons are ejected. Ejected means ejection, removal. Ejected from it, which are attracted towards the positive collector plate. These electrons are attracted by the collector plate because this is a positive plate. There exists an attraction between positive and negatively charged electrons. The electrons negatively charged. Idu positive plate. So attraction third one. The electrons flowing through the evacuated glass tube results in the flow of current. The electrons flowing through the evacuated glass tube, they results in the flow of electric current. So electron in movement avade electric current generate agutte annೋದು. This is the fourth point, right? So in the next class I am going to tell about Alva's observations. Have a nice day. Watch the two videos. First one is Hertz's observation and Leonard's observations of photoelectric effect for the two times. Definitely will understand more about observations of Hertz and Leonard. These are very important for the examination section, 3-mark section, as well as for your understanding about photoelectric effect. Thank you.